Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and let's take a look at the upper roof framing. We're going to be using expanded K-series beams for this, so it's a little different. So I'm going to go to my upper roof, and we're going to go over here and choose beam, and we're going to load family. All right, let's back up and see where we were. So we were in the English Imperial Library. We are in structural framing. And in steel, what I want to choose this time is K-series bar joist angle. It looks like this. Click open. And again, it gives you a whole bunch of choices here. We want the one that is 18K9. And so that means that it has a depth of 18 inches. Okay. And a width of 10.2. So, or is it weight? All right, so 18K9. So we're going to use 18K9. 18K9 is the one we want to choose. And again, make sure you have a specific choice made so that it doesn't load all of those. That would make your model enormous. All right, after I've loaded in my 18K9, I'm going to go to beam system. One little change we're going to make. Okay, so we're going to choose the beam right here. It should say 18K9. Our justification will be beginning, not center. And this just makes the math work out a little better. And then we're going to put it at every 5 feet. One of the things we need to change right here is elevation from level. Right now it's 0, and the 18K9 is at the ends, it's 2.5 inches thick, and we want that to be resting on top of the beam. I'll show you this afterwards. But what I'm doing is putting in 0 space, 2.5, and I get a 2.5 inch offset. Okay. After I do this, when I click right or point right here, it should pop up 4 green lines. And I'm just going to click that first one, make sure this still says 2.5 inches. And if it does, just go add those in on all of your upper level roof system. All right, once I'm done with those, I'm going to hit escape a couple of times, go back to our 3D view, and you can see that we have this expanded K-series truss system here. If I zoom in right here, you'll see what I'm talking about. You can see that this is clearly resting on top of the beam. If we didn't do that, then this portion would be intersecting the beam and it wouldn't be correctly placed. So these are supposed to rest on top, and that is why we did that 2.5 inch offset. So that is all you need to do to finish up your framing system. So at this point, we have the entire frame laid out. Congratulations.